Welcome to Zambia, where industries face significant challenges due to the country's unique geography and landlocked location in southern Africa. EDDY Pump offers innovative solutions tailored to Zambia's major sectors, including mining, agriculture, manufacturing, chemicals, electronics, machinery, and metals. EDDY Pump's advanced slurry pumps and dredging equipment efficiently navigate Zambia's geographical complexities, providing a strategic advantage for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. With EDDY Pump, businesses can effectively manage challenges without the burden of long-term commitments. Efficient pumping and dredging solutions are vital for maintaining navigable waterways, mitigating floods, preserving the environment, and supporting Zambia's import and export activities. With strategic locations across Zambia, EDDY Pump is ready to meet the nation's industrial needs. Zambia's industries require innovative solutions to overcome geographical challenges and sustain economic competitiveness. EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering flexible and sustainable solutions for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore our rental services today and ensure Zambia's industry's future resilience and growth with EDDY Pump. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.